Sinabi nila sa akin, huwag ako masyadong magdidikit sa'yo. May history ka na ng mga babaeng pinaasa mo. Mga linyahang, bigyan mo lang ako ng panahon, iiwan ko siya. Sabay tatapusin niya ng linya na, di ko kayang wasakin yung sarili kong pamilya. Bakit kasi hindi ako nakinig sa kanila? Bakit ko ba inisip na pipiliin niya ako kesa sa asawa niya? Bakit kasi kailangan kong maniwala na mahal niya ako kahit obvious namang hindi talaga? Ngayon tuloy ako yung masama. Ako yung kabit. Ako yung kirida. Nagmahal ng isang taong may nagmamay-ari na. Ako yung wala ng mukhang maihaharap pa sa iba. Ako yung luhaan. Ako yung bobo. Ako yung tinatawag ng karamihang tanga. Ako si Mean. Nagpaloko sa taong kala ko mahal din ako. At ito ang aking biyaheng one-way love. This I tell to all the people na may nag-cheat na partner. You don't hate the person na dahilan ng cheating. You don't hate the other party. You don't solely blame the other party. Kasi 90% of that cheating is because of your partner. Nasa kanya yung control eh. Dahil nasa kanya yung reason not to do it. Nasa kanya yung will not to commit mistake. Nasa kanya yung biggest point that should be considered, that that person is already committed to someone. Pero that person chose to commit that mistake, agreed to be with that someone, even when alam niya na masasaktan ka. So that's the reason why I tell most of the people I've met in my life na naloko ng partner nila. You don't blame it all dun sa kabit. Wag mo ilabas lahat ng galit mo dun sa kabit. I'm not gonna try to justify yung ginawa nila. Yes, may pagkakamali din sila. Meron din silang nagawang mali. Kasi they are fully knowledgeable that you exist. I understand. Pero lahat ng hate na meron ka, ilagay mo dun sa tao na nangakong hindi ka niya sasaktan pa. Huwag dun sa isang tao na naniwala lang na one day mapipili siya. Na one day magiging totoo yung pinapangako din sa kanya. Naiiwan ka niya para lang sa kanya. And to all the cheaters out there, sa lahat ng mga taong may other person, may sideline, may side chick, merong kausap tuwing gabi, may emotional partner, however you wanna call it, may special friend, may sis, may bro, may bestie, kahit ano pang alias na gamitin mo sa kanya. If you're doing things that you should be doing with your partner, then you are well aware that you are cheating. I won't even ask you to stop. I won't even ask you to think about what you're doing. Siguro if there's one thing I'm gonna ask of you, is to be ready. Ihanda mo yung sarili mo. Not with karma, but with the pain of losing someone who really loves you, accepts you, embrace all the flaws in you. I want you to prepare yourself in losing an amazing person just because you are so selfish. You are so self-centered. You are so greedy sa attention, sa affection, sa oras. Mawawala sa'yo yung taong napaka-espesyal na kayang yakapin yung buong pagkatao mo. Even yung mga hindi magagandang side sa'yo. Just because for a moment you want to feel something else. For how many hours, for how many days, how many weeks, you just want to feel good about yourself. And in exchange, you lose someone na pwede mo nang tawaging totga mo. The one that got away. Kasi you know well in fact, my love, that you have a good one there. A great person with great personality who loves you, your family, your friends. And you are about to lose that person. So again, if there's one thing I'm gonna ask of you, that is to prepare yourself for what's about to come. Kasi ang mawawala sa'yo, mahihirapan ka ng punan. And the next time you love someone, you'll have someone in your life, you know it's never gonna be the same. Minsan lang tayo makahanap, my love, ng taong tatanggapin tayo ng buong buo, walang labis, walang kulang. Yes, it's true, there's always someone for somebody out there. Pero there's also someone out there that should have been for you. Pero masasayang mo siya. And that one, right there, yung niloloko mo ngayon, yung pinapaasa mo ngayon, yung pinapaikot mo ngayon, yung pinasisinungalingan mo ngayon, my love, that's the one for you. I just hope you're ready na ipinagpapalit mo siya. Ipinagpapalit mo ang walang hanggan sa tinatawag nilang panandalian.